Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to restrict group chats in Messenger. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is just go to the group chat that you want to restrict. So for example, I want to restrict this group chat right here. So what you want to do is just to hover to the group chat that you want to restrict and then just click on the three dots. So just click on that. And then from here, you'll have a vast majority of options that you can choose in restricting your chat. But as you can see over here, there is like no restrict option right here that you can see in Messenger. But a similar method or a similar option to the restrict group chat setting is to mute notifications. So what you want to do is just click on mute notifications right here, and then this option will pop up. So it will say right here, mute message notifications, mute call notifications, or you can mute both. So just feel free to choose which one you want to mute. So for example, I'll just mute messages and call notifications, and then after that, just click on next. And then from here, it will ask you, how long do you want to mute this group chat? So you have 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. So for me, I'll just choose until I turn it back on. And then once you're done choosing that, just click on mute. And then the group chat is now muted. So you will see a bell right here with a slash mark. So that means that the group chat is now muted. So to unmute the group chat, what you want to do is just go to the three dots again. And then you'll have an option right here that will say unmute notifications. So when I click on that, the group chat will now be unmuted and then the icon will be gone. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to restrict group chats in Messenger.